Hello, this is Brett with Fletcher Roofing, claims rep for Chrissy Frey. We're here attempting a brittle test. This is slope considered F5. And then here's the test. So the shows the green is the originally affected shingles. The blue are the shingles that we have to pop the seals in order to check the relief and pull the nails in regards to the nail strip and the relief strip. Here we go. Starting with, I have a thin blade to pop the seals. So I am popping the seals on the first one, which are mostly popped here. And then the second. And this one is tearing already. This is directly above. Okay. It's got more tearing. As we try to release the seal. Being as ginger as possible, but in doing so I'm damaging this next shingle up. And it's just tearing apart this shingle here. It's just for reference, let me show you. This is the second one. So we have to pull this seal in order to pull the nail strip, and then you have the relief of the next nail strip here. So I have to pull the thing on the shingle, and you can see it's tearing here, started tearing here, started tearing here again, and then there as well. So I'm trying to find a good way to get under the shingle, and it just keeps tearing. All right, we'll move on to the next set. See if we can. We're obviously going to have to pull this next one. Okay. Nice and slow. Going up and down to just release that glue without damaging the shingle. Okay. Just tore again. just tore again. Let me see if I can get on the other side of it. Okay. Nope. And the shingle is completely torn. Now, let's pop the seal on the architectural part, or gator tooth, or the dragon tooth, whatever you want to call it. And this shingle, we technically only are supposed to pop the seal on, and it just keeps tearing. So this one's tearing too. You can see there, this is popped the seal here, and now it's tearing there. Popped the seal here, and it's tearing there as well. So that is that next row, so we'd have to continue to keep doing that. We'll start on this next one, see if we can avoid it on this one. Okay. It's starting to tear again. Let me try it from the front. Right. Starting to tear. Starting to tear again. It's tore again. Tore that shingle. All right, well, let's just start with what we got here. All right. So now I am running the nails which have already been pulled through on this one. This is the original windblown shingle, so I am gonna look at the relief and pull that. So I have 3 nails so far. I stopped breaking the seal on this one because it is tearing on either edge. And there is another nail here. So let me break the seal on this, or see if I can. So it's done all right. Should all pull out. Come on. Okay. Oh, there's one more nail. Sorry. It's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. Yeah, 6 nails for this one. Now we should be able to pull the shingle out. Oh, I'm sorry. This one pulls over into this side. Have to pull a couple more on this side. All right. And there's the 7th nail. This one is covered in dirt, and I apologize. So there we go. This one has been pulled. Now, just through pulling it, I've caused damage to this shingle. You can see dislodging of the granules. Damage to this shingle, which was only supposed to be a seal break. Caused damage to this shingle, and a little bit, sorry, breathing heavy. You can see under there as well, damage. So what I have to do now is, again, these blue are the shingles that I just have to manipulate in order to pull these shingles. So this is the next one. Now I'll have to pull, not pull, but break the seals of 2 more rows up. And this issue will just continue to be the same thing. So again, my green shingles are the affected shingles. You can see the wind damage there. And now I'll make an attempt on the second one. All right. That one doesn't want to come. Hopefully it won't give me too much trouble. All right. Now I'm going to be pulling the relief nail. because I couldn't break the whole seal on here, I need to now, in order to release this shingle from the next, which is causing some mat transfer. Now this one has been, there's another one I'm missing over here, sorry. One more nail. Alright. Now that's been pulled out. And you can see it's the same thing. You also have some creasing here, and I've just been barely lifting it up. Needed to see the nails. And you have tearing, which will continue to expand the scope of shingles that needed to be so threshold released. So we're deeming that this slope F5 needs complete replacement. The slope tying into it, F9, I believe. Also, there is this area here in the valley where this main roof ties into this roof. So we'll have to continue to fix and replace this as well, and we'll experience that same issue across this whole valley.